To solve a nice problem, let the equal ratio as k. So let b plus c over a equals c plus a over b equals a plus b over c equals k. From the first term and the last term, both sides times a. So we get b plus c equals k times a. From the second term and the last term, both sides times b. So get c plus a equals k times b. Similarly, a plus b equals k times c. We denote the system as star. Now we add both sides of the three equations. So the left side becomes 2a plus 2b plus 2c, right? So get 2 times a plus b plus c. The right side equals k times a plus b plus c. Now we move the left side to the right side. So we get 0 equals k times a plus b plus c minus 2 times a plus b plus c. Now we take common factor out, so get 0 equals k minus 2 times a plus b plus c. So we have two cases to consider. The first case is k minus 2 equals 0. So we get k equals 2. So we can figure out the value for the target expression. So b plus c times c plus a times a plus b over a, b, c equals, look at that, b plus c according to star, we get ka, right? Now k equals 2, so we get 2a. c plus a equals kb, k equals 2, so 2b. Similarly, a plus b equals 2c, the bottom part, a, b, c. So get 8 times a, b, c over a, b, c. Cancel a, b, c, so we get 8. For the second case, if a plus b plus c equals 0, so then we get b plus a equals negative a, right? Similarly, c plus a equals negative b. And a plus b equals negative c. So the target expression, b plus c times c plus a times a plus b over a, b, c equals, look at that, b plus a equals negative a, c plus a negative b, a plus b equals negative c over a, b, c. So we get negative a, b, c over a, b, c. Cancel a, b, c again, so we get negative 1. So we get two solutions to the given problem, 8 and negative 1. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.